In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Shopee. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the experience, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth and successful shopping journey on one of Southeast Asia's leading e-commerce platforms. First things first, let's get our shopping trip started by heading over to Shopee Philippines. Simply open up your web browser and type in the Shopee website URL, or just search for Shopee Philippines to find the site easily. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a vast array of products and categories to explore, but before we dive into the shopping fun, it's essential to sign in. To sign into your account, look for the sign in option on the site. Shopee offers the convenience of logging in with your Google account, making the process quick and straightforward. So go ahead and click on the Google sign in option. A list of Google accounts will appear if you're signed into more than one on your device. Choose the account you'd like to use for Shopee, and you're almost there. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Look for a continue button to proceed. Clicking this will officially sign you into Shopee with your chosen Google account, paving the way for a shopping spree. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the items you're looking for. Shopee's search bar is your best friend here. Let's say you're on the hunt for a Christmas tree. Simply type Christmas tree into the search bar and voila, a plethora of Christmas tree options will appear before your eyes. But with so many options, how do you find the best one? That's where sorting comes in. You can sort the search results according to your preference, such as by price, relevance, or popularity. This helps narrow down the choices to match your specific needs and budget. Once you've found the Christmas tree that catches your eye, click on it to see more details. On the items page, you can see photos, descriptions, and reviews, which are all helpful in making an informed decision. If the tree comes in different sizes or colors, you'll see options to choose the variation that's perfect for you. Ready to buy? You can either opt to buy immediately or use a voucher if you have one for additional savings. Either option will add the item to your cart. But before you finalize your purchase, there's one last crucial step: checking out. Proceed to your cart by clicking on the checkout button. Here you can review your order, apply vouchers, select shipping options, and choose your payment method. Shopee supports a range of payment methods, so pick the one that's most convenient for you. Finally, after reviewing your order and ensuring everything looks good, it's time to place your order. Click on the Place Order button to complete your purchase. You'll receive a confirmation, and your item will soon be on its way to you. Shopping on Shopee is that easy. With just a few clicks, you've navigated the vast world of online shopping and found exactly what you were looking for. Happy shopping, and enjoy the convenience and variety that Shopee brings right to your doorstep.